He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him I will trust. Psalms 91, 1 through 2. Hey guys, Jessica here with Just Relax. In this video, I will be showing you how I achieved my perm rod set and how I cheated. I like when the curls have become long, so I have done a braid out and rods at the end. As you can see, I still have not separated my curls. I like to have a few styles to choose from when doing a perm rod set. Toward the end or in a few days, I will start to separate them just so that I can get more out of the hairstyle. I will say that the Strictly Curls mousse that I use, it's really good. It's my first time using it. It has a great hold. It's not hard, but the curls do have a really good hold to them. Nice and bouncy. The hair growth oil that I use, it's just that I've added tea tree oil and rosemary oil. The main oils for hair growth is lavender oil, peppermint oil, tea tree, and rosemary. Those are the key essential oils for hair growth, for maximum hair growth. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Here I am parting my hair so that I am able to wear it on either side, or have my a part on either side, wearing it on the left or the right. So I am parting my hair so that I will be able to do that. Just making a round circle basically, and making the two deep parts so that I can either wear it on left or the right. I am more of a left part person, but I just want to be able to have it to be versatile on which way I wear my hair. once I start to braid this section, I will braid it going straight up, basically, because I don't want it to lean to either side. That way when I take the braid out, that's how it's gonna lay, and that way I'll be able to lay it either left or right, and it won't be sitting in one spot, basically, where the hair has set. So I'm gonna braid it straight up when I do braid that section, and I'm not going to separate it. I'm not gonna separate it in the middle so that there'll be a middle part. I'm gonna just do 3 large sections for the braid, making sure that the middle section has no parts in it at all. So now that I have completed the rod set on my hair, I did 2 sections where I put a hairpiece in the front and a hairpiece in the back just to hold them up while sleeping in them, and it was very comfortable, so I did not have to lay on them. So just I simply just put a hairpiece in the front and in the back, and it worked out fine. So now I am taking my hair down. I would say it was fairly dry. It was a little damp in some of the braided sections, but for the most part it was dry. When I first do a braid out or rod set, I do not like to separate my hair, only because I want it to last longer. So I wait a few days to separate my curls. That way, I like it when it has the frizzy look and it gets big. I love that. So, and just allowing it to do what it wants to do and maintaining those curls is what's important. That's the whole point of me doing this style, so that I can have some curls. And so I will not separate them in this video. It's gonna be definitely a few days before I do that. And my hair wasn't all the way completely dry. It was a little on the damp side, so I didn't want to move it around too much or bother it so that it will become too frizzy. So yeah, I think it came out good. I had to definitely go, so I really couldn't dwell on it, but I think that the braid out came out pretty good. It's what I was looking for. I wanted to style my hair and also just have some curls. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you try this style, let me know down below, and I will see you in the next one. Happy holidays.